Wondering how to see who shared your Instagram post to their story? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process. When you're active on Instagram and you share a post, others can share that post on their story. It's natural to be curious about who might have done that, especially if it's content you're particularly proud of. Here's how you can find out. Start by launching the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right. Browse through your posts and select the one you believe might have been shared. In the past, by tapping on the three dots at the top right of the post, you could directly see who shared your content. But now, that's changed. Instead, you'll notice an airplane icon at the bottom of the post, which allows anyone to share the post to their story, tagging you by default. Since you'll be tagged in any shared story, you'll receive a notification about it. Head back to the main Instagram feed and tap on the heart icon in the top right. Browse through your notifications to look for mentions of your post being shared. Remember, these notifications won't last forever. They'll stay in your list for a while, but if you're looking to keep track, it's a good idea to check frequently. And there you have it. That's how to see who shared your Instagram post to their story. If this helped or if you have further questions, drop a comment below. Catch you in the next tutorial.